Hello and welcome to Troubleshoot with Suko. Here I have a quick guide for you on how to set up a restore point on Windows. This setup can be used as a troubleshooting template to revert your Windows PC to a good known state or restore point. You navigate to System Protection, and you can do this by simply going to the Startup menu and search for Restore Point, which is a built-in Windows utility. If this is your first time doing this, the first thing you want to do is configure your restore settings. Click on Configure. From here, you want to ensure system protection is turned on, and you can allocate disk memory or disk space for this process. As soon as you're satisfied with your selection, click on Apply and OK. So from here, next thing you want to do is to create a restore point. Click on Create. You want to name your restore point. And this will go ahead to create a restore point on your PC. As soon as you see this notification, you've successfully created a restore point manually on your PC. You can close out of this window, and at any point in time you wish to revert your PC to a good known state, you navigate to this tab, System Protection, and from here you want to click on System Restore. Next, from here you want to select a good known state you wish to revert your PC to. Click on it, click on Next, and as soon as you click on this Finish button, it's going to revert your PC to that good state.